Are you a beginner in the cryptocurrency industry, or you want to learn how to trade on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, Radium, PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, and so many other decentralized exchange? Now, decentralized exchange is not that easy like centralized exchange like Binance, Bybit, and KuCoin. But decentralized exchange, there's a way to go about it, but it is not difficult. It's very easy. I'm going to be doing a comprehensive video explanation on how you can navigate Uniswap. Now, if you learn how to use Uniswap, you can easily use Radium, PancakeSwap, or any other decentralized exchange you want to trade on. It is very simple. All of them have the same principle. It's just that some of them, their interface might be a little bit different, but it's still the same thing. So that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now, even if you're not a beginner, I want you to do me a favor for people who want to learn how to trade on decentralized exchange so that they can see this video and learn from it. I want you to like this video, give this video a thumbs up right now, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Because why? I'm going to be doing a lot of videos about beginners video for people who want to learn a lot of things in the cryptocurrency space. So do me a favor, and if you have someone you can share this video with, just click on the share button and share this video to the person. Now let's get straight into my computer. So let me show you how to trade on Uniswap and use the same knowledge to trade on any other decentralized exchange of your choice. See you in that video. Before we go into the Uniswap video, I want to show you something that is very, very important. Are you a crypto beginner, whereby that you don't know anything in crypto, you just got involved in cryptocurrency, you don't know how to buy a coin, you don't know how to set up a wallet, you don't know how to do P2P. Like you're just a beginner, you're still learning. Now I put together an A to Z step-by-step cryptocurrency guide for beginners and advanced investors, covering all aspects of cryptocurrency investment. I put together this training to make sure that you learn everything you need to learn to become a good cryptocurrency investor. Now, this is some of the things I put together. You can see you learn how to set up accounts as a beginner, learn how to buy coin on centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges. Like example, what I'm about to show you in Uniswap, but I covered in so many other decentralized exchanges. You can also learn how to make your own first $10,000 in crypto. Learn about common mistakes people make in crypto, because people make a lot of mistakes whereby that they always want to buy when coin is going up. They don't understand the dynamics behind everything, like the way people made mistake and start buying Bitcoin when ETF was approved, and it's so wrong for you to make such kind of mistakes. And I was able to put all of these things in this training. You can also see some of the things you need to learn: how to exchange cryptocurrency to your local currency like Naira, CD, or Rands, how to trade on Binance P2P, how to avoid risk in cryptocurrency, and so many other topics. You can see the course content right there. You can see introduction to this class, why you need to invest in crypto as a beginner. It's very, very important. The second thing is the history of Bitcoin. The third thing there is basic cryptocurrency knowledge. You can see some of the things I put together: understanding crypto technologies, what is blockchain. You can see trading versus investing, what it is, what is altcoin, what is stable coin, what is coin versus token, cryptocurrency security, very important, fundamental and technical analysis. I put together everything you need to know. And again, I also talk about arbitrage, ICO, and airdrop. Now, this is everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. If you go below, you can see how to create a crypto wallet, how to trade on decentralized exchange. I talked about everything: how to set up Binance, how to set up Bybit, how to set up KuCoin, how to do withdrawal, how to place trade, how to create a wallet on centralized and decentralized wallet. I talked about all of these things. You can see what you need to know before you buy any crypto. I talked about it here: how to analyze crypto projects, how to make your first $10,000, how to make 100x in the bull market. I talked about all of these things. But you can also see a bonus content right there. In the bonus content, I talked about what is DeFi, what is Metaverse, how to invest in cryptocurrency and meme coin. Very, very important. Meme coin is very, very important, whereby that people can make so much money investing in meme coin. I also talk about what is NFP. I also talked about what is NFT, and I can tell you guys, these are some topics that once you get access to this training, you're going to learn a lot. And I put together all of these things in simplicity that you can understand, and also share this training with your family members. All you need to do is just to buy with just 7,500 naira. This is less than $7. You can have access to this training, guys, and I can tell you It's going to be life changing. Now let's go straight into Uniswap. Let me show you how to use Uniswap as a beginner. All right, guys. This is Uniswap website. You can see uniswap.org. If you go to their website, which is uniswap.org, if you type it on Chrome. Now, another way to have access to this website is to go to CoinGecko and go straight to the market section of any cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, let's say you want to buy this particular cryptocurrency called Pendel. I'm very bullish on Pendel. Let's say you want to buy it. You just go to the market section. If you come to the market section, you look for where it is trading. Let me give you an example. Let me use another crypto called AstraDAO. AstraDAO. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Very simple on how you can actually trade on Uniswap. I'm actually making it very simple and very snappy. So, all right, as you can see, if you go to the market section, you can see this is the market section. You can see the option of Uniswap version 3, that is V3 Arbitron 1. It means that Uniswap under the Arbitron network. That is what we're looking at. Now, if you want to access it immediately, you want to buy it immediately, you just have to click on that coin you're looking at slash wrapped Ethereum. You can see WETH, that is wrapped Ethereum. Just click on it. It takes you straight to where you can do the swapping, which is here. Now, this is where you can find yourself. Now, before you start transacting on Uniswap, the first thing you need to know or you need to have is your Metamask. You need to have your Metamask set up. As you can see, I have my Metamask set up, and if you don't have your Metamask set up, I have a video in this YouTube channel that taught you how to set up your Metamask, how to do some transaction and so many other things in Metamask. As you can see, I have about $50 worth of Ethereum right here, and this Ethereum is sitting under the Arbitron 1 network. Now you can see this is other network you can actually select on your Metamask. But at this moment, I'm dealing on Arbitron 1. You can see Ethereum mainnet is also there. You can see Linear mainnet, Arbitron 1. You can see the Dogechain mainnet. You can see Polygon and different other mainnet. But in this video, I'm using the Arbitron 1. And once you select Arbitron 1, and make sure that the network you are also trading with Arbitron is also trading with Uniswap is also Arbitron. So if you click on this drawdown, you see other supported networks. You can see Ethereum, Optimism, Polygon, Base, BNB Chain, Avalanche, and Celo. But at this case, I'm using my Arbitron. So if you choose the option of Arbitron, then maybe here you might be seeing Connect Wallet. Well, I've already connected my wallet. That is why you're not seeing Connect Wallet again. Now the next thing is for me to trade. Now, once you do that, the coin that you must make sure that you have Ethereum on your wallet or any other cryptocurrency you want to transact. Or if you want to do transaction on Ethereum mainnet or Ethereum network or Arbitron network, you have to have Ethereum under Arbitron network or Ethereum network, depending on the network you want to interact. But in this case, I want to interact with Arbitron 1 network, so I have Ethereum on Arbitron, so I can be able to pay transaction fee. Call it gas fee. So in this case, I want to buy Pendel. Now, if you click on the drawdown of Pendel, you can search for the cryptocurrency by using the search button, or you copy the contract address of that particular cryptocurrency and paste it here and find that cryptocurrency. Now, how do you find contract address of cryptocurrency? Now, you can only find it if you go to the blockchain explorer. But the easiest way to do that is to go to CoinGecko and search for that particular cryptocurrency. In this case, let us search for Pendel so you can see how it works. This is Pendel. I click on it. I'm looking for the contract address so we can actually buy this particular token. Now, this is the coin. You can see the option of address. You don't need to copy this first one because this first one is under Ethereum network. You can see the logo of Ethereum main network. You click on this three dotted line. You click on this three dotted line. This is other network that accept this particular token called Pendel. But this is the one for Arbitron. You copy the contract address for Arbitron. You can see, copy it. Then go back to your Uniswap where you want to do the transaction. You can just paste it. If you paste it, it will automatically show up. As you can see, Pendel has showed up immediately. You click on it. You can see we have Pendel. Now this is where you put the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy $500 worth of any coin you want to buy. You need to know what it is in Ethereum. Is it 0.1 or 0.5 or 0.6, whatever it is at maybe at the time when you're doing your transaction. You need to know all these things, or you want to use all of your Ethereum to buy it. If you want to use all of your Ethereum, just click on max. You just buy everything with your Ethereum. But in this case, I am not doing so. So the next thing to do is just to click on swap. If you click on swap, you click on confirm swap. This is you trying to interact. I won't be able to be confirming this transaction because I don't need this token at the moment. But this is the demonstration video for you to see how it works. You just have to exercise patience for it to load. Now you have option to reject or to confirm, but because you are trying to buy, you just have to confirm. Once you click on confirm, just give it like maybe 30 seconds. Your Ethereum will be converted to any cryptocurrency that you want to buy. And that, if in this case you wanted to do Pendle, but I'm not buying it. But if you don't want to buy, just click on reject. You can see you have rejected the transaction and you did not do the transaction. So this is a simple way on how to do trading on Uniswap. And this same thing apply in so many other exchanges like Radium, PancakeSwap, and so many other decentralized cryptocurrency. They are almost the same thing. They are not difficult, just that they might have different interface. You can see the way this particular one is looking, but they might not be like this, but it is almost the same rule or the same principle that governs them. The same thing. You just have to make sure you have the particular cryptocurrency you want to transact. You have to send it either from your Binance or from any other centralized cryptocurrency exchange and send it to your decentralized wallet before you can do the transaction. I believe you got everything in this video. And these are some of the educative content I have in my training course. And that is why you need this training course to be able to learn how to do every other thing for yourself. So you can buy for yourself, sell for yourself, transact your cryptocurrency to your local currency. Very, very easy. It just with a snap of a finger, you can do all of these things. And I explain all of these things in my training. All you need to do is to click the buy now button for you to have access to this training. Check the link in the description, and you can actually click the link in the description to get this training. See you there.